Hey guys, welcome to Major's English Verse. In this video, we'll talk about IELTS Writing Task 1. It's important to understand that if you are preparing for IELTS General, there will be different writing task 1. However, in case of academics, it's a different one. So first, let's talk about IELTS Writing Task 1 academics. There are different types of charts or graphs that you may have to practice. And in the final, there will be only one type of graph or a chart that you will have to describe or explain. So we'll talk about it in detail for sure. But first, let's understand that what is the pattern of writing IELTS Task 1. Let's talk about the word limit. The word limit that is expected from you is going to be minimum 150 words. That means your entire writing task 1 should have at least 150 words. And time limit is entirely up to you, but basically that we divide according to the time limit of entire writing task 1 and 2 is going to be 20 minutes. So you should be free from your IELTS writing task 1 within 20 minutes. Now let's talk about the paragraphing. How many paragraphs you will have to create in your writing task 1. First is going to be the introduction, 2 body paragraphs and 1 overall. So these are the 4 mandatory paragraphs in your writing task 1. It's also equally important to understand that what is expected from you so that you can attempt writing task 1 in a better way. So what examiners are looking for. So in many times we tend to forget that what are those things or criterias on which my writing will be judged. There are 4 things that you need to take care of when you are writing task 1. First is going to be task achievement. So for example, one graph or a chart is given to you and you are analyzing that thing. There has to be 100% task achievement. So for example, the unnecessary things, if you are adding in describing writing task 1, it will go useless. So you need to understand that task achievement is very important because the question will ask you select the main features and make comparisons. So these are the 2 things that you will have to ensure in your writing task 1. One is going to be selecting the features. Second is going to be the comparisons where they are relevant, not the irrelevant ones. So one is going to be the task achievement. Second is coherence and cohesion. So now what does it mean? It means the connect between words and sentences. So one body paragraph should not be mixed with the second body paragraph and or vice versa. So second body paragraph should not be talking about body paragraph 1. There should be no repetition. So this is all about coherence and cohesion. Third important thing which examiners are looking for is going to be GRA. So what is this GRA? It means grammatical range and accuracy. So you will have to show the range of grammar, the language to the examiner with accuracy. So now these are 2 different things. If you are adding a range but there is no accuracy, it will again be irrelevant. So you need to understand these 2 things simultaneously in this parameter. The last one is going to be the vocabulary part. So adding words, different words, not using very common words will be checked in your IELTS writing task 1. So this is an overview about writing task 1. In detail, we are definitely going to discuss about it in the coming episodes. Till then, stay tuned and I'll see you in the next episodes. Thank you.